My name's Dave Horn. I'm the site manager of Poynton High School. There's 1,500 pupils in the school. The whole school is quite long, it's nearly a quarter of a mile inside, and it's the only place where from one end to the other you get wet basically when you walk through. Also it's for the kids. The kids have a picnic area type thing where they can eat break time, lunch time. There's also a pod that we call it that serves food. Right from the word go, working along with A&S Landscapes, they were marvellous really. Most responsive. I got various companies to come and quote. So we looked at various products and various designs that were slightly different. We decided to go with A&S in the end because one, they were the most amiable company to work with. Price wise, they were the best. They seemed to bend over backwards to meet our needs. Aluminium guttering, which is a good thing really, because it's a lot stronger. Plastic guttering deteriorates, it loses colour. Some people just said, oh, we don't do that, we don't use aluminium guttering, and we're quite adamant about it, whereas it's a matter of fact that the A&S Landscapes use aluminium guttering. A&S Landscapes, right from the word go, were very good with us. Time-wise, they made appointments, they fitted to the appointments very well. If they couldn't make it, they'd let me know. During the job, they even emailed me every day, tell me where they're up to. The team that came and worked are very good, very efficient, just got on with the job, no messing about, which I like. They started the job, I think, on the day the kids returned to school in January, I think it's about the 5th of January. In poor weather, but they kept going. We've got 4 access doors and 2 gates in the actual area, of which at certain times we had to close some, but constantly, while the children were at school, they worked with us. They fenced certain areas off as they wanted to work. They got no mind of the children and vice versa. We just carried on as if it wasn't happening really. It's changed the area quite considerably because now the kids can sit outside and it's dry, because they do sit out in the winter even. When it's cold they'll sit out and wet, but now they can keep dry. They get food from a pod that's next door to it. People can walk from one side upper school to lower school without getting wet. It's a big asset to the school. And because we're like the biggest school in the area, people will contact us asking who to use for various different things, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend A&S Landscapes. They're marvellous, they really are, first class.